Hello. Welcome to how to use Proxmox as a virtual private network server with OpenVPN. Follow these steps. Debian. Debian standard. Container templates. Next, create a new container. Hostname. OpenVPN. Password. I set a simple 5-digit password. Template. Select Debian from the list. This is the template downloaded in the previous step. Disks 10 GB. CPU. Memory. Network. I recommend setting up a static IP address to forward ports on your router to it. This way you can connect to the virtual private network server from anywhere. DNS. DNS domain. DNS servers. Finish. Container creation complete. OpenVPN in LXC. The following steps use the command prompt, so use this guide, because remembering the commands is not easy. Proxmox. Shell. Split screen for easier viewing. One half is the command prompt, the other half is the instruction content. Edit configuration file. LXC. Container ID. 100. Config. Enter. Add these two lines to the end. Add these two lines to the end. Save and exit. Copy. Paste. Enter. Copy. Paste. Start container. PCT. Start. Container ID. 100. Enter. Access open container. Copy. Paste. Update and install open. Copy. Paste. Yes. Copy. Paste. Yes. Copy. Paste. Navigate directory. Run executable file. Public IP address. UDP. Enter. DNS servers. Google. Configuration file name. Create configuration file for client. This is the configuration file just created. Open configuration file. Cat. Configuration file name. And this is the content of the configuration file. Select the hole. Copy. Paste. Save the file with the extension of Because my Proxmox is a NAT, therefore it is necessary to port forwarding on the router. On the router, I created a new port forwarding. UDP. Port 1194. Default port. IP address of the OpenVPN container. This is why you should set a static IP address for the OpenVPN container. Port forwarding completed on the router. Time to check the results. Import configuration file. Connect. Connection successfully established to the server. The above are the steps to build a virtual private network server on Proxmox with OpenVPN. Thank you for watching. If you have multiple clients, you should create multiple different configuration files. To do this, simply run the executable file as follows. You name the configuration file. And here is the second configuration file for another client. Good luck.